for bringing us here. Thank you for our team, our South African team. Thank you for the executive. Thank you, Wayne, for putting this company together, because we do really live our perfect life. Our kids, they are everything to us. And they go to the most top school in South Africa. John, the day we qualified as IMD and Studio was transferring our kids to this top school, and I said no because I was scared. But Johnny found a day while Suji and I having an argument, and he said, "You will never look back again. Your income will be infinite," and that's how it is. Thank you.